Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm going to be having some fun with just a little bit of color blocking and some water marbling using Hairspray. And I'm actually going to just kind of jump right into the design and tell you about it as I go, because you're going to hear me talk enough at the end of this video. I'm going to be telling you about my 5K subscriber giveaway, showing you what I have and showing you what you need to do to enter. So for the design, I'm going to be using Double Dipped Onyx and Aphrodite. So I'm going to go ahead and dip out the base colors. I'm going to do a little color blocking on this one, so we're not going to dip out that one yet. As always, to start, I have my builder gel, a gel top coat, 2 layers of peel base, and I've actually done 1 layer of dip base over the top of the peel base. Alright, now that I have these base nails dipped out, I have 3 dips of black on these 2, and then 2 of the foil dip Aphrodite with 1 of clear on top for these 2. So we're going to get into, it's just going to be a simple half and half color block over here. So I'm going to be using this stuff. It's great for color blocking nails because you can get really small shapes out of it. I will link this below. And I'm just going to take a little piece off, and again I have a layer of just dip base on here so that I know the tape will stick pretty nicely to it, and it also won't pull up my peel base that's underneath. Try and get as straight down the middle as possible, so I'd say midline's about here. And then put the tape down the side that you're going to be blocking first. You want to have open. So I'm going to be doing my black first. I like to do the darker colors first so that they don't contaminate the lighter colors. I'm going to be doing a pour over with the black. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on. I'm going to do a couple layers as quickly as I can, and then we'll pull off the tape. Okay, that came off nice and clean and straight. But I do want to do 1 more layer with the black just to make sure that it's nice and opaque, because I did not use my most opaque black I have, simply to minimize staining if possible. So I'm going to do 1 more layer right over the top, just painting over. Okay, I'm actually going to put a little bit of activator on that to seal that in, make sure there's no loose pigment that is going to get into my lighter color when I block that in. Okay, now I have Aphrodite here in a little cupcake liner, and I'm just going to do this part by hand block it, and just fill in the space that's left. See, I had a little bit that went over onto the black here, but that's okay because I can come in here with my little cuticle scraper and scrape it right off, since this surface is hardened from the activator. It won't do any damage to it. Okay, now I'm going to do a layer of clear. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and activate and file and smooth all of the nails now. Okay, and once you have them all filed up the way you want them, can start playing with the water marbling. So I got this Mess No More. It's Mini Moo. I've never used it before, so let's have fun. But I'm putting this on to make things a little bit easier on me. I'm going to be putting it on half of the marble, or half of the color blocked nail. So I'm going to put this down here first of all, because I'm only going to be putting the water marble on this side of this nail. So I'm going to put this down here and then put this stuff on. And then peel that off, so hopefully that will protect this from getting the nail polish on it that I don't want. I'm going to apply this around on my skin as well, on the rest of here. Okay, so it says to apply around where you don't want the nail polish or the design, and then to apply a second coat before the first one dries. All right, that is a pretty look. Okay. I have done water marble once in my life before this. Before I started doing dip nails or even gel nails, I would only do nail polish at the time. And it was messy, and I didn't use anything like this. So it took a lot of time to clean up. So I'm really interested in how this is gonna come out. All right, now I'm just waiting for this to dry, and then we'll get into the water marble. Okay, so you're also gonna want some kind of stick. I'm just using this little orange stick to pull the excess nail polish away from your skin before you pull your finger out. I'm going to be using, it's just the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. It's just a pretty cheap black nail polish I got from Walgreens. And I'm going to put a few drops in here. See it start to spread out pretty quickly. The more you do, the more black, the darker the design is going to come out. So I'm just going to let the nail polish spread out naturally in the water, and then I'm going to be using it's Rave. It's a very old nail polish. Hairspray that I have, aerosol. I don't actually use, but it works great for this. So I'm just going to spray it in little spurts, and you can see the nail polish starting to come apart in there. Now it will dry pretty quickly, so you want to go ahead and lay in eek. I'm gonna get this and pull the nail polish away from my skin. Pull away before I move my finger. All right. So that turned out pretty cool. I love it. I did not cover the entire thing. I'm totally kind of down for that. Now I'm going to get the pusher end of my cuticle pusher. We're going to separate what is on the cuticle from what is on the nail, so that when I pull the Manny Moose stuff off, it does not pull the nail polish off the nail with it. Oh, okay, this is fun. Okay, hopefully there's a trick so that it doesn't ruin it when I do this. I'm just gonna pull away from, I'm just gonna kind of scrape and pull away any of the overlap. Okay, then if you have any remaining nail polish in there, you can use your stick and it'll pull the rest of it out. But we managed to pull it all out when doing the nail. Okay, now I'm going to go in for the second nail. I'm going to be putting marble on this one as well. You want to make sure that you clean out any nail polish that is left in the water. You can do that just by swirling the stick around, pull it all out. I'm going to go ahead and pretty much just do the same process I did before. So I'm going to drop a few drops in. Okay, it has fully gone up in my... Okay. Yeah, it went up like my entire finger, but that's okay because this looks really cool and I'm super happy with that. So I'll deal with it and I'll clean it up. We can get that off with some acetone or nail polish remover or something. But I am in love with this look. I am loving it. Okay, so now you just want to make sure that the nail polish fully dries. You want it to be completely dry, and then you can top it with a layer of your dip base. and that will get it ready for you to activate and top coat. I'm actually going to be doing some foil, I think down the center here, just down where the two meet a little bit. I have some foil I've pulled out of Aphrodite, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to be doing it with some gel base just to make it a lot easier. And I'm just gonna do a real fast flash cure on that, like 5 seconds. Okay, so I've actually decided to kind of push this to make the foil a straight line. I just wasn't loving the look of it rough right down the center, so I'm going to be pushing it over. Put a base coat over it to, I have to finish curing it first. So I'm going to go ahead and finish curing this. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds to seal all those foils in place. All right, now I'm going to do a layer of dip base coat over both of the nails. Okay, now I'm just going to activate and top coat. All right, and here is the finished color block Hairspray water marble. Gorgeous goodness. I'm loving the look of these colors together. I love dark colors and marbles, so we all know that this is my kind of favorite thing to do, but I love how this came out. Anyway, I will clean these up. As you can see, they're quite a mess, and of course I will post pictures. But let's get into the giveaway. All right, so I said in my last video that we were coming close to 5K subscribers, which is just absolutely incredible. I just started at the middle of last year, so to be there already is just mind-blowing to me. I can't believe it, and I appreciate all of you so much. I am so grateful for every single one of you, and I wanted to put together a really nice giveaway for this. So I have compiled a grab bag of goodies of stuff that I love to use, along with some really incredible dip colors. So I'm going to go through and just show you everything that's in here so far. I have got a buffing block. This is one of my favorites. Of course, a banana file from Sally's, which is my favorite. I have e.l.f. brush for dusting off powder, as well as the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush that I use for ombre. I love the use for ombre. Got you one of my 0.25mm micron art pens, so you can do a little bit of drawing. Also a dark gray alcohol ink marker for marbling. My favorite cuticle pusher with the scraper end that I use for everything. A nice big bottle of Cuccio cuticle oil. You will also get a full set of the double dip liquids, which are my staple. I don't have those yet to show you, but you've all seen them in my videos. And then also these 3 powders, 2 of which have not been released yet. They're coming out with her magic set, the magic foils, in May. And then Speak No Evil, which is part of her Evils collection, which will be coming back out in May. So here we have Presto Changeo, which is a gorgeous, it's a foil shifter. These are all foils, not just itty foils. They are really high luxurious foils. So this is Presto Changeo, and this one shifts from kind of a purple to a gold and a blue. It has so many colors in it, but it is gorgeous. We have Hex, and she shifts from blue, purple and pink are the colors that she shifts. And I will put, I can show you my pictures of the shift here. It's kind of my pictures where that shows a little bit of the shift better. And finally, Speak No Evil, which is a beautiful holographic sheer flake with like a pink shift to it. Anyway, so yes, these 3 colors, a full set of liquids, all of those goodies that I showed you are what I'm going to be giving away for this. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just make sure you like this video, that you are subscribed to me, and comment below. Make sure you comment below. That's all you have to do. I want to make this easy for you to enter, no hoops to jump through. So that's just to show you how much I appreciate all of you, and thank you for sitting through me rambling again. But I love you all, and one more time to finish Manny. But I will see you all next time. I'll be drawing the winner, and I will be announcing the winner on March 15th. So that will be my next birthstone Manny. Anyway, I will see you then.